How do I determine if an ISO is a hybrid? According to this URL. A more recent example is the release of hybrid ISO files that can be booted or started from both BD or DVD and USB flash drive devices when the image is written to any of these storage devices. How do I use standard Linux tools to determine if the ISO I have downloaded, edited, or created via GeneSimage is a hybrid? Thanks.
Run fdisk on the file. If it shows anything meaningful, it is hybrid.
You can run headc 512t file.iso is greater than bytes.txt. In a proper non-hybrid ISO, the bytes should all be zeros, maybe not visible by default in your text editor. Though in theory they could contain any random garbage, so in a non-zero case it is harder to confirm if it is a hybrid without more in-depth analysis of the bytes. For Windows users, you can install the new Win32 Core Utils package to get that command.
Run the file command on the ISO image in question. The output from running this command on a non-hybrid ISO will look something like this. Image.iso column ISO 9660 CD-ROM file system, data, foo, bootable. While the output from running this command on a hybrid ISO will look something like this. Image.iso column DOS/mbr boot sector ISO 9660 CD-ROM file system data, DOS/mbr boot sector. Foo, bootable. Partition 1 column ID equals 0x17, active, start CHS, 0x001, end CHS, 0x288, 6332, start sector 0, 1329152 sectors.
You can use this script to check the ISO image, iflag for inspect. This URL. Create a USB bootable device from an ISO image easily and securely. Don't want to mess up the system with DD command? Create a bootable USB from an ISO in one line, see it in action. Work seamlessly with hybrid and non-hybrid ISOs, syslinux or UEFI compliant, such as any Linux ISO, Windows ISO, or Rescue Live CDs like Ultimate Boot. You don't have to tweak anything. Butiso inspects the ISO file and chooses the best method to make your USB bootable.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.